What is indigenous nutrition? What exactly is indigenous nutrition? This question takes us on a fascinating journey into the dietary practices of indigenous peoples around the world. Indigenous nutrition is all about understanding how these communities eat and how their food systems are shaped by their culture, environment, and history. At the heart of indigenous nutrition is the idea that food practices are not just about sustenance. They are deeply connected to social structures, spiritual beliefs, and the relationship with the land. For example, many indigenous communities relying on hunting, fishing, gathering, and farming methods that are sustainable and tailored to their local ecosystems. Take the Arctic Inuit, for instance. Their traditional diet is rich in marine mammals, providing high levels of protein essential for their lifestyle in a cold environment. On the other hand, Andean populations often consume diets based on tubers and grains, which are suited to their mountainous surroundings. Nutritional anthropology, a branch of biological anthropology, plays a key role in studying indigenous nutrition. This field combines biological, cultural, and ecological information to understand how indigenous peoples have adapted their diets over time. It looks at how these diets influence health, growth, and disease patterns, considering both historical and modern influences. Another important aspect of indigenous nutrition is the impact of colonialism and globalization. These forces have disrupted traditional food systems, leading to challenges like malnutrition and chronic diseases in many indigenous communities. Food sovereignty, which is the right of indigenous peoples to control their food systems, has been threatened, making it harder for them to maintain their traditional diets. From an anthropological perspective, practical applications of indigenous nutrition include creating health programs that respect traditional knowledge and practices. This approach helps support food sovereignty by encouraging the revival of traditional foodways and sustainable harvesting methods. Community-based food sharing is also vital for maintaining cultural identity and nutritional health. In summary, indigenous nutrition is a rich and complex study of how the diets of indigenous peoples are shaped by their biology, culture, and environment. It highlights the importance of traditional knowledge and food sovereignty in promoting health and cultural continuity.